Okay, so hello, good day. This video discussion is about estimated liabilities, and we will discuss for this video about premium. Okay, so warranty and contingent liability will follow, but for this video, we will discuss about the premium. Okay, so what is premium first? Premiums, excuse me, are articles of value such as toys, dishes, silverware, and other goods given to customers as a result of past sales or sales promotion activities. And this is to stimulate the sales of the entity's products. Okay, pali mo promotion nila nga sales para daghan sila galin. Now, nganong na may um, whenever merchandise is sold, there is an accounting liability. So that's the estimated premium liability. But why nga naman estimated premium liability? Because they are obliged to distribute those premiums as ilang gi-promised. For example, sa may mga example sa premiums, points, rewards, um, reward points, sorry, uh, kanang exchange og mga pakete. So kung makabaligya sila og certain amount of products, then the customer pwede sila mo redeem sa points nga ilang nakuha or sa kadtong mga pakete nga ilang natigang or depende for a certain nga item such as toys, dishes, silverware, and so on and the likes. Okay, so that's why uh, this is an estimated liability because di man takaybaw or si entity in this case dili makaybaw og kinsa ang iyang bayran and kanus apod ni si iyang mabayran to what specific date, why specific nga customer or kanang why specific nga customer nga imong mabayran or di ka kaybaw kung kinsa imong bayran ani in this case. Okay, so let's have an illustration for this premiums. So page Candy Company offers a coffee mug. Okay, as a premium for every 10 1 peso candy bar wrappers. So meaning ang candy tag 1 pesos, tag 1 peso each per unit. Okay? And katong mga candy wrappers, in exchange for 10 candy wrappers, makadawat si customers og coffee mug. That is kung i-redeem ni customer. Okay, so yung customer makatigom og napo ka buok or 100 ka buok, and then iya tong i-redeem, in return, si customer makadawat og napo ka coffee mug from Page Candy Company. So that's why nanay liability sa time nga nakabaligya sila by the time nga nabaligya ang ilang merchandise. Okay, kay na may chance nga ibaligya, i-redeem to ni customer. Okay, so for every 10 1 peso candy bar wrappers, makadawat ang customer og coffee mug presented by customer together with 2 pesos nga remittance. So kinahanglan mohatag og dos si customer. So kibale for a coffee mug, ang kinahanglan ihatag ni customer are 10 candy bar wrappers and 2 pesos for a coffee mug. The purchase price of each mug to the company is 1.8 pesos. In addition, it costs 1.2 to mail each mug. So diri pala mandaan ato na lamang i-analyze daan as to pila possible ni nga expense, premium expense per coffee mug. So ang premium expense niya per coffee mug is usually the cost of the mug. This is 1.8. But since naman dya additional cost and part man sa premium, so ang kaning additional cost nga distribution Para sa premium, so 1.8 plus 1.2, so ang total cost is 3 pesos. Now, since si Page Company, mangadyo man og 2 pesos gikan ni customer or kisay mo redeem, therefore, i-minus na nimo ning 2. So, ang premium expense per premium nga ihatag is only 1 peso. Okay? So, take note na magamit na unja for computation sa total premium expense to be recognized. So, these are the information nga available. Coffee mugs purchased for 2018, 720, and for 2019, 800. Candy bars sold, number of units ni 5,600 and 6,750 and 5,600,000. Wrappers redeemed 2,800,000, 4,200,000. 2018 wrappers expected to be redeemed 2 million, and wrappers expected to be redeemed in 2014 is 2,700,000. Okay? So these are the requirement. Prepare the journal entries that should be made in 2018 and 2019 related to the above plan by Page. And second, indicate the account names, amounts, and classification of items related to the premium plan that would appear on Page Candy Company balance sheet and income statement at the end of 2018 and 2019. So first, let's prepare the general journal entries. So you can take a picture of this para dito magbalik-balik for the informations or for the data nga kinahanglanon nato. Okay, so 2018, this is the 2018 nga journal entries and 2019 nga journal entries. So to record the purchase of the mug, so debit ka premiums 1,296,000. So to indicate nga kana nga asset is for the purpose of premium nga promotion, distribution. Okay, so 1,290,000. Kay kung mag ra imong ibutang diha, di man ta makahibaw og paraasan ang mag, especially kung dili mag imong baligya, especially ni kay hindi jang baligya unsa nay mag sa inventory, so maglibog ang mga users para asa ang mag. So i-indicate dito nga kani is part sa premium nga promotion. Okay, so that's why debit premiums 1,296,000 and cash 1,296,000 assuming or accounts payable depende assuming ra ni nga cash diyang gibayad. Pero kung giingon nga giutang on account, so accounts payable lang atong i-record. And 720 times 1.8, so that's why 1,296,000. Okay, 720,000 mugs purchased in 2018 and at 1.8 nga price per mug. And then next, to record the sales. So we know that on 2018, 5,600,000 units of candy bars were sold. So therefore, ang total sales po is 5,600,000 since 1 peso raman ang, 1 peso na, 1 peso raman ang purchase price or ang selling price per candy bar. And then to record the redemption of the kanang premiums. So debit kag cash 224,000. Why? Let's start with the before there is a debits. Let's start with the credit. Ang sadyon. So credit ka premiums kay nag-redeem man, di ba? So kay nag-redeem man, therefore kinahanglan ka mo hatag sa imong premium nga promotion which is the coffee mug. Question, how many ang gi-redeem? So total number of wrappers redeem is 2,800,000. Diba? As given. Then we know nga para makuha ko sa kamag, manginahanglan og 10 wrappers. So that's why you divide out 10 wrappers. Therefore, there are 280,000 mugs ang na redeem. So that's 280,000 times price sa purchase price per mag or cost per mag is 1.8. So that's why ang premiums na to makuhaan by 504,000. So this is an asset nga account. Premiums, asset, and then nakuhaan man. So imong i-credit by 504,000 ang amount nga nakuha sa pag-distribute nimo sa premiums. So 280,000 kabok mags times cost per mag. So that's why for 504. Now, cash nga 224. This na ng cash nga 224. We know nga makadawat ang cash tungod kay nag-require si company para ma-release ang mag, para matagaan kag mag aside sa 10 wrappers, kinahanglan ka mo remit og 2 pesos or kinahanglan mo remit si customer og 2 pesos. Okay? But di hapon given ganiha nga naapoy distribution cost sa mag. So atong i-deduct ang distribution cost sa mag or ang cost to mail the mag ngadto sa customers. So 2 minus 1.2 pesos. So 0.8 times 2.8, 280,000. So ang cash nga na-receive is 224,000 in relation to this redemption. Okay? So that's why 224,000 cash. But kung why cash nga gipangadyo, di na mo record og cash. Okay? So again, problems or information varies from problem to problem. That's why you have to read the situation jud. Okay? So dinibot pasabot manijang journal entry diri sa redemption, automatically sa tanang mga sunod ninyong maagian ingani gyapon. Of course magdepende ni siya sa information given or sa situation. But in this case, we have received cash for 224,000 as a result of the cash remittance gikan sa customer nga 2 pesos and our costs of mailing 1.2 deduct, so 224,000, and the premium expense is 280,000. Take note nga na-compute na to ganiha nga we have a or remember nga atong gi-compute ganiha daan ang premium expense per mag. Okay, so ang premium expense na to related to this mag is 1 peso per mag or per unit. So pili na redeem 280,000. So 280,000 times 1, so that's 280,000 pesos ang total nga premium expense. Okay, so in case nakalimot mo yun sa to, so you can always recall or replay sa katong time na discuss tong yun sa pagkuha ang 1 peso nga premium expense. And then premium expense to record the estimation na ni of the premium liability at the end of the year na ni. Okay? So why do we need to estimate? This is the application of the matching principle. Okay? Matching principle. Okay, ngano lang tag matching? Ang sales, diba? Revenue, money happened in 2018 and this sales has corresponding costs. Okay? And this include the premium expense. Kaya di man ka kakuha og ingani kadaghang sales, posible nga di ako ingani kadaghang sales kung wa ka mag-offer og premium. So, ang mga expense ani nga sales should be recorded on the same year, in this case 2018. And still regarding to the sales, napagyapoy mga candy wrappers nga ilang gi-estimate nga ma-redeem paghihapon. Okay, so therefore those bisan pagwa na ma-redeem karong 2018 but still ang expense adto is part sa or i-match nimo sa revenue on 2018. So that's why imong i-set up ang expense daan. Okay, kay diri ang revenue. Unya kung wa ni journal entry, kung wa ni nga journal entry, diri ang revenue and then sa sunod tuig mag-redeem dire And then kadto related sa sales dire. So ang expense di ang are, ang revenue di sa 2018. So ma-defeat na to ang purpose or ma-defeat na to ang concept nga sa matching, which is to match the revenue and the with its corresponding expenses. So i-set up nimo daan since napamantay estimated nga number of wrappers to be redeemed. Okay? So na-expected nga 2 million divided by 10, so a total of 200,000 nga premiums to be distributed pa times 1 as discussed ganiha. Cost ni sa premium expense ni per unit. Okay? Dili ni ang selling price sa candy ha. Dili ni ang selling price sa candy. Natay discussion gani agyon sa pagkuha ng 1 peso. So please remember, again, dili na siya price sa candy. So our premium expense is 200,000. So itong debit premium expense 200,000 and credit ka estimated premium liability 200,000. That is why estimated mo nakalahi sa estimated liabilities sa normal nga liability. Normal nga liability like accounts payable, kaybaw ka kanus a bayaran, kaybaw ka kinsa ang bayaran. But in this case, wa ka kaybaw kanus ang bayaran and di po kaybaw og kinsa ang bayaran. But still, nganong consider magyapon just liability? Ang ijang gi point out there is that ang liability or ang obligation to pay is certain, di ba? Certain man ang obligation to pay dire bisan pag-estimated. Bisag wa sa kahibaw kinsay bayaran, wa sa kahibaw kuno sa bayaran, pero kahibaw sila nga naadjay kinahanglan bayaran. So manay application pod sa recognition sa liability. Okay? As long as measurable siya. In this case, measurable man. So okay ta diha. Pero kung dili measurable, balik ka sa recognition principle. Kung dili measurable, at kung dili measurable, dili siya pwede nimo i-record sa financial statements. Kay unsa pag record sa financial statements kung wa kay amount nga ibutang. Kay in the first place, ang definition sa accounting or ang purpose sa financial statement is to provide financial information, quantitative information. So, kung di mo measure, okay, so di mo pwede ibutang sa financial statements since quantitative information man ang nasa financial statements except sa notes to financial statements. Then for 2019, same gyapon to record the purchase of the premiums and then to record the sales, same gyapon na. Mura rin nakalahi diri dapit. Okay? As you can see, magdagandagan journal entry diri nga naman on 2019 nag-redeem ang customers og 4,200,000 or si customers nag-redeem og a total of 4,200,000 nga wrappers. So kung imo nang i-divide og 10, naka-distribute ka og 420,000 ka mugs. Okay? So unahon na to ang cash. So ang cash nga imong nadawat in relation to this redemption is a total of 336,000. Again, remittance gikan ni customer and cost to deliver the mug. So naka-net nga nadawat na 336,000. Okay? But ang imong premium expense dire is dili na parehas computation ganiha, like imo rang times ang 280 sa cost per unit, I mean 280 sa imong times ang number of mugs nga na-redeem sa premium expense per unit, which is na-compute na to ganiha, which is 1 peso per unit. Okay? So 1 peso per unit. But in this case, ganiha gi-times nimo, that's why premium is 280. Karon di ka pwede mo times sa 420 dajon. Why? Because part of this redemption ng 4,200,000 wrappers, candy wrappers were sold on 2018. So pila man to kabuok kadtong gi-estimate kaniha nga 2 million. Okay? So ang 2 million is part sa sales or part sa expense pagka 2018. And we all know nga we already recorded that here, 200,000. Okay, that's 2 million divide 10 is equal to 200,000. And times ni mo og 1 peso nga 1 peso nga premium expense per unit as computed na to ganya. So 200,000 di ka pwede na mag-record dere og premium expense a total of 420,000. Okay, kay naka-record na kaganiha og 200,000. So imong buhaton dili premium expense imong i-record since recorded naman ang estimated premium liability ang imong i-record 200,000 kay nabayran naman ang imong estimated nga premium liability. Okay? And then ang premium expense nato ani is 220,000 ra kay 2.2 million 4.2 man 2 million related sa last and 2.2 million related karon. So 2.2 million ra then or a total of 220,000 mags times 1. So 220,000 ang atong premium expense for this year. And ang premiums is 756,000 same gyapon for 20 times 180. 1.8 cost per mag. Okay? And last nga expense, last nga entry is to record the estimate premium liability same gyapon sa process diri dapit. Okay? So na-estimate in 2,700,000 sa total of 270 times 1. Okay, again, dili ni siya the ang selling price sa candy. Okay? Then, arata sa ikaduha nga requirement, which is to indicate the account names, amounts, classification of items related to the premium plan. So these are the accounts and their classification sa financial statements and the amount related nila. So for 2018 and for 2019. Okay? And money assignment para ninyo, ha? Money assignment para ninyo. Okay? So sabta di sa nagikan kaning mga amounts. Okay? Computer di sa nagikan nga mga amounts, write it on a sheet of paper and take a photo of your answer and then send sa atong group chat. Okay? Sa section ra, per section ra nga group chat na to ha. Okay? And nganong 792, nganong 200 and so on. So muna ang assignment ninyo sabta na this ana siya kuha, which is not difficult man po. Sadyo lang po ni para ninyo noon. I just want to make sure nga you still remember basics. Okay? Then another form of premiums is cash rebate program. So mas kuantong last application adto mas hadyon kung paraan since cash rebate program is imurang i-record ang estimated liability dayon. Okay? So in this case, si entity ni offer of 500 cash rebate and then 40% of the coupon will be redeemed, estimated na. then 4,000 TV sets ang nabaligya. So, a total of pila estimated diri nga coupons nga ma-redeem. So, a total of 1,600 coupons. 40% of 4,000 is 1,600. So, 1,600 coupons ang posible nga ma-redeem. Ang kada coupon na ay 500 nga cash rebate. So, therefore, na kay rebate expense of 800,000, that's 1,600 times 500. Okay, and then the estimated rebate liability is 800,000. Okay, and to record the payments to customer, debit ka estimated rebate liability since nakabayad naman siya og 450,000. So, makuhaan na ang iyang estimated rebate liability. Makuhaan siya by 450 and cash, makuha na siyang cash by 450,000. So, same ra gyapon. Estimation ra man lang lamang ni siya. Okay, all you need to know is the um, estimated nga number of coupons nga ma-redeem, and then ang imong base dire, which is in this case 4,000, and cost per unit, in this case 500. Okay, next form is the customer loyalty program, and I think familiar mo ani with the kanang mga points something nga na. So an entity, illustration ta dyan, an entity, grocery retailer operates a customer loyalty program. The entity grants program members loyalty points when they spend a specified amount of money of groceries. Familiar, di ba, sa mga Metro, mga Rose, mga Mercury. So, ang tawag ana niya nga program, or ang tawag ana niya nga promotion is customer loyalty program, which is kuan man pod kanang, what do you call this? Effective man pod, di ba? Kay kung ikaw na kay Metro nga card, magunahon na ka nga madto na lang kapalit kay naman kay for every purchase nimo ngadto sa Metro naman kay points nga madawat, which is pohon ma-redeem nimo siya for further groceries. Kumpara kung ari ka sa lain nga mga tindahan nga wa mo or naa pero wa kay card, di ba? So makuan gyapon, ah, mopili jud ka sa kung asa ka na ay card. Okay, so effective siya pod nga promotion sa sales. And program members can redeem the points for further groceries. The points have no expiry date. The sale during 2020 amounted to 9 million based on stand-alone selling prices. So, take note lang man yung stand-alone selling prices. Kibali, mo gud na ang selling price. 9 million jud ay ang selling price regardless sa points. Okay? During 2020, the customers earned 10,000 points. But the management expects 80% of these points will be redeemed. So that's 8,000 points, 8,000 points ang ma-redeem. Mao na diyang estimation sa 2020. The standalone selling price of each loyalty point is estimated at 100 pesos. So ang value kada point is 100 pesos. Na unsay gamit ani nila, aning stand-alone nga selling price sa loyalty point, magamit na nato unya ini buwag nato sa transaction price. Kay kaning 9 million, based on the standard, an entity shall account for the award credits as a separate component of the initial sale transaction. So, ang imong transaction is 9 million price. Total transaction price or sale is 9 million. Okay, based on the stand-alone price. But, you still have to consider nga nakay halin nga 9 million tungod kay naa tungod sa points nga imong gihatag. Okay? So, di gid ni siya ingon nga or naay bahin si customer loyalty program ani in the form of points. Okay, so ang pangutana, pila ang customer loyalty program ani? And then, pila ang sa regular nga sales. Okay? So, mo ni ang transaction price, 9 million. Ang sales nimo ani is less than na gud sa 9 million since makuhaan man siya kay bahinon man nimo into 2. Okay? As giingon sa standard nga ang award credits as a separate component of the initial sale transaction. Okay, nakuha ninyo. So duha kibali ni ang nagbahin dire. Kinsa man ni sila? Ang points og ang sales. Okay, so atong question na naman is unsaon nato pagbahin? Pila kang points, pila kang sales. Okay, so allocation of transaction price, we know the transaction price is 9 million and we have to separate the points. Okay, so pila kang product sales, pila kang points. Ano atong pangutana? Okay, so unsaon nato pagkuha kung pila ang ilang madawat. So product sales atong gamiton atong i-prorate prorata siya. Product sales 9 million. Points based on standalone selling price of those points is 1 million. Di sa man ko di ba standalone selling price per point is 100. Okay, 100. Then pila ka bulk points ang nahalin? 10,000. I mean pila ka bulk points ang nahatag? 10,000. So 10,000 points times 100 pesos standalone selling price per point. So that's 1 million. So a total of 10 million. This 10 million is as to the financial statement is concerned or recording a process or accounting a process is concerned. Kanang pag-record, pag-journalize, pag-ledger, one is jay significance. Unsa jang significance ani, ang gamit ra ani is para ma-allocate ra or magamit ra nimo as uh, inigprorata nimo. Okay, inigprorata nimo sa sa transaction price. I mean pag-allocate nimo sa transaction price, moral diyang gamit. Okay? So meaning, as to the product sales, ang iyang bahin is 9 over 10. 9 million over 10 million and then the point standalone price is 1 over 10. Sumusunod na ani, 9 over 10 times 9 million, 9 over 10 times 9 million. So total of to be recorded sa sales, mato sa income statement, padong sa income statement as a sales. So 8,100,000 and points is 900,000 as unearned revenue. Okay? Adto ni padung sa balance sheet. But once i-redeem ni nga points, katong 10,000 points, kung i-redeem to siya, mahimo na na siyang revenue. Okay? Which is adto pod siya padung sa income statement. Okay? So every time na i-redeem, imong kuhaan ang unearned revenue and then imong i-realize ang revenue. So to record the sales, cash 9 million, sales 8,100,000 and the unearned is 900,000. On December 31, 2020, 4,000 points have been redeemed in exchange for groceries. 4,000 points ang na-redeem. Pila to ka points ang expected nga ma-redeem? 8,000, 80% of 10,000. So, or 50% ang na-redeem out of 900,000. Okay? So meaning, ang atong i-record dire is debit ka unearned revenue for 50,000 and credit ka sales for 150,000. Okay? So gikuhaan nato ang unearned revenue. Meaning ang balance sa atong unearned revenue as of this moment is 450,000 pod. Okay, kinakuhaan po siya og 450,000. So 900,000 minus 450,000 is equal to 450,000. Mao ni atong gi-minus. And then, in 2021, the management revised expectation and now expects that 90% or 9,000 points will be redeemed altogether. Okay, so nautro ang atong expectation. Now, saan na ito napag-deal? If mautro ang expectation or ang estimation. Okay, so klaro man pod sa IFRS 15 man eh. The amount of revenue recognized shall be based on the number of award credits that have been redeemed, okay, relative to the total number expected to be redeemed. Okay, so number of awards credit that have been redeemed. Okay, so question, pila na total na redeem as of 2021? Additional information, during 2021, the entity redeemed additional 4,100 points. So, pila total number of award credits that have been redeemed? 4,000 2020, 4,100 2021. So, as of 2021, you have a total of 8,100 points redeemed. Okay, relative to the total number of expected to be redeemed. Okay, so relative. So 9,000 expected. Money award credits have been redeemed relative to the total number of expected to the number of points expected to be redeemed, 9,000. So 8,100 divide 9,000 times the amount of the unearned revenue, 810,000. But di pa naman itong record as dire. Okay? As earned related to this 4,100 points. Okay? As you can see here, this is a cumulative revenue. Okay? Meaning, appeal ning 450. Okay? So, since appeal man ang 450 nga para manas 2020, so imong kuhaon ang 450. Imong kuhaon ang recognized in 2020 which is 450. So, for 810 minus 450, so ang atong unearned revenue for sales is 360,000. So, kung atong ibutang dire 450 dire, then 360 diha, a total of 810. Okay? Next. Last, in 2022, further 900 points are redeemed. Management continue to expect that 9,000 points will be redeemed, meaning no more points will be redeemed after 2022. Since 8,100 naman to, then naka-redeem mo additional nga 900, so 9,000 na ang na-redeem, and one na mag-expect si management nga maka-redeem, napay mo redeem sa kadtong related niya sales after 2022. So, journal entry or pila may, of course, atong journal entry is debit ka unearned revenue, credit sales. Question, how much? So, the remaining amount to be recorded, which is 90,000. Kaya naka-record na mag 810. Pila imong total na kuan, unearned 900,000 unearned revenue. Gi-record ang 450 sa 2020, 360 sa 2021, and then 2022, 90. Okay, so that's a total of 900,000. So as of this point, wala kay unearned revenue. And that's all for the premiums. Warranty liability to be followed pa. Okay, so for any question, clarification, again, you can always send me a message or adto ninyo i-chat sa atong group chat kay para pod share sa uban ang inyong question. Basig pareha mo question and then naglisod naman sila. Di naman sila makapangutana for some reasons. Kaya at least makahibaw sila sa answers. Okay, so that's it. And thank you. God bless and thank you.